Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making a bacon cheeseburger soup, and this is also National Soup Month. If you've been watching any of my videos, you know that I've been making a lot of soup. And I had to go and get a few ingredients today down at Piggly Wiggly's. And I think me and Cameron is really going to enjoy this soup today because it's really cold outside. And it's still, it was dreary yesterday and it is today too. So it's got quite a few ingredients, but it's going to be worth it. So let me get started on my soup. The first thing I'm going to do is brown my hamburger meat. Then drain it so it won't be greasy. And then set it off to the side. I had 8 slices of bacon and I cut them up and fried them. I had 5 russet potatoes that I cut up and diced. I have 5 russet potatoes in my pot, and now I'm going to be adding my chicken broth. And 1 cup of carrots. And a yellow onion, and my parsley and basil. Okay, I'm going to bring this up to a simmer and cook it about 15 to 20 minutes, just till my potatoes and carrots are cooked through. Okay, my potatoes are tender now. So I'm going to add in my hamburger meat. And my bacon. So stir this up. Now then, I'm going to put this back here, and then I'm going to make my slurry. Okay, this is 3 tablespoons of butter. Now then, I'm going to be adding 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. And I'm going to be cooking this for about 2 minutes. And I'm going to add my 2 cups of milk. Okay, my slurry is thickened up now, so I'm going to add my salt and black pepper. Turn my eye down. Okay, let's set this over here. Bring my soup pot up. Now then I'm going to add in my slurry. Give it a good stir. I know one thing, these seasonings in this smells good. Okay. Now then I'm going to be putting in 2 cups of cheese. And this is pepper jack cheese. And you just continue cooking until it melts. Okay, my cheese has melted through, so I'm going to let this cool a little bit before I come back and do the taste test. Okay, my bacon cheeseburger soup is done now, so I'm going to dip some out for the taste test. It really smells good. It's good and creamy. Okay. Okay, I think my soup is cool enough that I can do the taste test. So, it's really good. You can taste all of the cheese in it, the pepper jack cheese in it, gives it a good taste. And the carrots and the potatoes and all of it just makes it a really good soup on a cold day like today. So do what you love and love what you do, and y'all have a great day. Bye. Okay, I really like this bacon cheeseburger soup. I think it's the best one that I've made lately, and I'm fixing to really enjoy eating. You can put cheddar cheese in it, but we put pepper jack cheese in it, and I really like it this way.